In order to make chicken bharta, we will need the following ingredients. First, you need chicken. We have taken chicken, the boneless chicken, from the legs of the chicken. So the meat is very soft in the legs. So that's why we have taken the meat from there, and then we have boiled it and we have shredded the chicken. So that is one. And then we have the coriander leaf, we have turmeric powder, salt, sugar, tomato puree. This is a mixture paste of onion, garlic and ginger. We need oil, kasuri methi, kashmiri mirch, and this is a mixture of coriander powder and the jeera, that is the cumin powder. So these are the ingredients which we need, and this coriander leaf is actually for the garnishing purpose, and you can also use some green chilies also for the garnishing purpose. So now we will check out the process. So first we will heat up some oil in a kadai or pan. We are using white oil, and this is the canola oil that we are using. Keep checking with your palm, with your hand, that if the oil is enough hot, you will be able to understand it. Then next we will be adding the ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic onion paste. We have added the ginger garlic onion paste in this, and now we will stir it nicely. So after the oil gets heated up, add your ginger garlic onion paste and nicely stir it. Stir it thoroughly so that it gets well cooked. Simmer the oven, and next we will be adding the tomato puree or tomato paste you can add. Keep stirring for around 3 to 5 minutes nicely. This way. Now one by one we will be adding the spices. So first we will be adding the Kashmiri mirch. Kashmiri mirch is not very hot. It's basically for bringing more color to your food. So by adding Kashmiri mirch, you will get a nice reddish color in your dish. Now we will be adding turmeric powder. Don't put much of the turmeric powder, just few pinch of it. And again we will have to stir it nicely. And slowly, as you can see that the gravy thing is being prepared. So basically we are preparing the gravy. Now we will be adding the powder of cumin and coriander powder. Cumin powder and coriander powder. And again we will stir. Next we will add salt. So we are adding salt in it. And now sugar. Just a bit of it, just for taste. And stir. Stir well. And as you can see that the gravy is becoming dense as the time is passing and we are adding more of the ingredients. So stir well after adding salt and sugar, and now we are adding the kasuri methi. Kasuri methi gives a nice flavor to your dish. So now stir it well, and the gravy is slowly becoming thicker and smoother, and this nice dense gravy, which also looks very tempting, you can see. So keep stirring it well for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now we will add just a bit of water in it. And slowly stir it. And finally, now is the time we will be adding our shredded chicken, shredded boiled chicken. So we will be adding the shredded boiled chicken now in our gravy. So before adding, just stir vigorously and just put all of the pieces of the shredded chicken in it. And now nicely coat it in the gravy and cook. Stir it well so that every piece gets well coated with the gravy. And then again keep stirring it for around 3 to 5 minutes. And it's finally done, guys. So now you can see that how delicious this dish looks. So what we are going to do is now pour it in a bowl or a plate and then garnish. So let's check that out. And ta-da! We have finally finished, and we have come to the end of the recipe. So here we have our well garnished chicken bharta with us. We have garnished it with the coriander leaves, and we have also used some green chilies just for flavors. And now is the time that I'm just gonna dive into this dish and enjoy it. So if you also wish to enjoy this tasty dish, this chicken bharta, then definitely try out the recipe that I showed you and send me all your feedbacks, that how did you prepare it, if you have some better ideas of like adding some more ingredients for making the taste, or if you're having some problem just let us know the feedback and how good it tasted and how much you enjoyed this recipe. So cook it and also share it with your loved ones, because everybody loves to eat. So that was all for today, and have a nice time and keep smiling, and do keep your eyes on this page in this space in my channel, so that I can share more and more lovely videos with you guys, and also you guys can come to learn more new stuffs every day. And that's all. So I will not bore you guys anymore. So enjoy and stay healthy, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, by the way. So bye bye.